Hi, this is Justice with Tablet Pro, and today I'm going to be talking about the R520 Bluetooth stylus. This is brand new from Renaisser. It has the same pen tech as the R520 stylus that I've been raving about on my channel for like a year and a half. And it's one of the first and only styluses that is made for artists. So the difference is with the stock stylus from Microsoft, this one is made for annotation, which means that you are going to use it just like a regular pencil. Turn the pencil around and erase with it. This is pretty normal stuff. No one has to learn anything. It is not the fastest or the best option. The reason why the R520BT is a better option in a couple different areas. One, if you need to erase, you just press this side button right here. The very first button here, this is a 2-button stylus, very first button here is the erase button. The second one is the right button, the right click button. Both of these buttons, as well as the one on the Surface Pen, can be remapped in the pen tool from Tablet Pro, and I'll link to that below. And then what's new is this now has a 3-function Bluetooth button on it. So I'm going to show you here, double click, this is going to switch, single click, and it's going to bring me right back. And that is a function I programmed to the remote, this Bluetooth remote. So that can be used to advance slides in PowerPoint, to trigger Cortana or speech to text from across the room. It's really powerful, and with a stylus that is this nice, because this is a aluminum body, it's metal, it feels light and cool to the touch. It's definitely lighter than the Surface stylus, and it is magnetic, which was one of the biggest issues for me when I started looking at styluses a couple years ago. Now I have a stack of about 25 styluses right over here. Alright, here's my stack of styluses that I have tested. There's a couple of these are just different colors of the same one, but this is a massive stack of styluses. Now, of all of those, my favorite is the R520 stylus, and I sell these in my store on purpose because they are the best ones I can find and they work the best for artists. And the R520 is the next iteration of this pen legacy. Alright, so if you guys have questions about this, go ahead and put those questions in the comment section below. If you use a stylus and a Windows 10 tablet, this is a great channel for you, so definitely subscribe. So please subscribe. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at what this looks like inside of Photoshop. Alright, so let's go over to Photoshop. I'll show you here the pen tool while this is loading. This is the pen tool right here. You can choose a bunch of different functions. You can click locations on the screen with these side buttons. You don't have to have a hotkey. So you can toggle back and forth between actually 6 different locations with a single button and just cycle through. Very powerful tool, and you can change what the eraser button does as well. Alright, here we are inside of Photoshop. Let's click to open. I'm going to show you with the hard round brush. Let's zoom in to 200%. Hard round brush, hard round brush. That is with the R520BT stylus, and this is with the Surface stylus. You can see here the main difference here is the pressure on the R520BT. By the way, this is codenamed Blue Walker, which I think is really cool. It's easier on this stylus to do light lines and ramp up to heavy. The Surface stylus is a little bit harder to do that same type of ramping. So if you've got a really heavy hand, this is a really good option for you. Alright, so other things here, just right here and then erasing immediately. I think that's really important. Again, these functions can be remapped if you're using the pen tool. Okay, so if you're like me, you're going to want to see this actually in a drawing program. So I have Clip Studio Paint open. Over here is the Artist Pad from Tablet Pro. We're going to sample some colors here and blend a little bit. And let's pick another color. And here you can see just what the line quality looks like here. It's nice. It really is. It's nice quality and really fast and easy to use. It's responsive. The stylus has tilt and 4096 levels of pressure, just like the Surface Pen does. Alright, you guys, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and put those in the comment section. And let's get a quick close-up here of the stylus. It charges, by the way, with a magnetic hat that sits on top of the stylus. Let's see. And this has a USB-C port on the end. You can see it charging right there. All right, highly recommend it. And again, like I said, you can find this on my store, tabletpro.com.